Environmental Management, Energy Solutions from ICP DAS USA. At ICP DAS USA, we are committed to helping professionals in the field of agriculture, aquaculture, solar power, and other similar industries to improve their overall production, efficiency, and reliable process control. For more than 30 years, we have provided industrial-grade solutions for the energy and environment industry by providing solutions for measuring, monitoring, managing, and receiving data from wide areas, making data visible and reliable for all. We know the importance of increasing productivity and remote accessibility for data analytics. From our data loggers and smart power meters, ICP DAS USA has the tools for your environment management solutions. The CL and DL Series are environmental data loggers. The CL Series is a data logger device that can be used to record HCHO, TVOC, CO, CO2, temperature, humidity, and dew point information. The DL Series is a data logger device that also records temperature, humidity, and dew point information. Smart power meters can help monitor the energy consumption and save on unnecessary costs. They communicate over Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and CAN bus protocol, and it is easy to integrate with SCADA software for further control and analysis. To learn more about our power meters, take a look at our power meter video series right here on our channel. The ET7017, a web-based Ethernet I/O module, features a built-in web server which allows configuration, I/O monitoring, and I/O control by using a web browser. It is designed for applications for industrial monitoring and measurement. Therefore, we have made it tough enough to survive harsh environments. Our analog input modules like our ET7017 have been used by many solar farms recently to capture the current produced by the solar panels. By connecting the current transducer input, which is used to monitor the DC current, around the wire between the solar panel and battery, the amount of DC current can be monitored. In order to monitor the power generated, a PM3000 series power meter can be used. The DL series also plays a part in environmental management. As mentioned earlier, the data logger can record temperature, humidity, and dew point information for a number of applications, including greenhouses. To learn more about our energy solutions, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.